here. In this video, I am doing some checking on the engine. It's a vacuum test. You want manifold vacuum, not port vacuum. And I got this to where the transmission vacuum line goes in. And a normal stock engine should be somewhere around 17. Mine is 18.5. But it will vary a little bit. If you have a hot cam in it, you will have less vacuum. So if you saw my video on the Chevelle, which is highly modified, I only get 8 on the vacuum. So that's a low P cam. So what you want to look for here, just a couple things. One, it's steady. It's just sitting here, it's steady. It's not dropping vacuum, it's not gaining vacuum. It's pretty much right between the 18 and 19. And if this is on a warm engine, see if I can do this. All right, so if you watch it, I'm going to give it some gas. And what happens is the vacuum should drop, but not to 0. And then it should go up above where it's at. When I let off, it should return. It should do that every time. And we're right back to where we were, pretty much. But that is an indicator that the engine is in good shape. So I'm not going to get into too much detail because there's a lot of different things that you just couldn't read. But a couple things. So if you got a stock engine, it's mostly stock, and you have low vacuum, that's an indicator of 4 rings. You're getting some blow by. When you give it gas, if it does drop to 0, again, 4 rings. If the needle occasionally drops, a little bit, say about 5, then that's an indicator of a sticky valve. If it happens frequently, then it's probably a burnt valve. This is how a good engine should read. If yours is reading differently, I suggest doing an internet search for a vacuum testing an engine, and I'll put a link in the description that has it's a good resource for the basics on what the vacuum gauge reading means. So now I just got to figure out why my secondaries aren't opening. Got a feeling I may have to do some work on that car. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.